The untold secrets of how to use the law of attraction to get what you want. Have you ever wondered why go-getters seem to get away with everything? These people appear to have everything they want in life at the snap of a finger. So, today we'll go over the untold secrets of using the law of attraction to get what you want. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Definition. So what exactly is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a philosophy that holds that positive thoughts produce positive outcomes in one's life, while negative thoughts produce negative outcomes. It is based on the idea that thoughts are a type of energy and that positive energy attracts success in all aspects of life, including health, finances, and relationships. Every single moment of one's life has brought one to the present moment because one constantly attracts things into their life without even realizing it. How it works. Essentially, the energy of your thoughts manifests your experiences. So positive thoughts manifest positive experiences, and the opposite is true. Focusing on the negative will constantly attract negative things into your life. When one understands this and learns how to work with it, one will be able to manifest whatever one desires in their life. So basically, it's clear that the law of attraction works in handy with manifestation. The law of attraction states that one will attract what they desire, whereas manifesting states that one will attract what they are into their life. Both statements are true because you attract what you are into your life. What one gives out always attracts what one receives. We are like magnets. So, when you know that you are attracting what you are, you can use the law of attraction to attract what you want into your life. The trick is to become what you want and the person you want to be in your mind, which manifests in the physical. Science behind all this. Everything in this world, including us, is made up of energy. Since everything is made up of energy, so everything is constantly in motion. In short, everything is constantly vibrating. And we all vibrate at different frequencies based on the energy we emit. Consider this. When someone says they are vibing with someone, it simply means they are vibrationally connected. Vibing is derived from the word vibration. So when you vibe with someone, you're in the same vibrational field, and whatever one is vibrating at the same frequency within their life attracts it like a magnet. Let me give you a scenario to help you understand it better. When people are happy, they vibrate at a high frequency, while when they are sad, they vibrate at a low frequency. So if someone desires something great in their life, their desire is on a high frequency. If the person who wishes to achieve something great in their life is in a bad mood and believes that they will fail to attract their desire because they vibrate at different frequencies. So, once someone learns how to raise their vibration and become happy, they can easily attract what they want, like a magnet, because one attracts what they are. Method of manifestation. Now, I'm going to teach you guys how you can begin to manifest. Affirmation is the method I'll discuss today. Affirmation is a positive statement made in the present tense. Affirmations can help you manifest specific things into your life. For instance, if you want to manifest money, you can use affirmation. One could say, I am so happy and grateful now that I am making money every day. You can apply this to anything you want to achieve in life, including a good grade in school. When it comes to affirmation, there are two methods that beginners can use: the 3x33 method and the 5x55 method. One should take a notebook and write down whatever one wants to manifest in their life for the 3x33 method. You will have to write it down 33 times every day for 3 days, at the same time each day. The 5x55 method is identical to the 3x33 method, except that instead of doing it for 3 days and writing it down 33 times, you must do it for 5 days and write it down 55 times. Steps of manifesting. Here are the steps you must take when manifesting. The first step is to ask. This is where you write down what you want and ask the universe for it. It could be anything in the world, because the universe can give you anything you want with the snap of a finger. The second step is to have faith. One must believe whatever they desire is already theirs. Unwavering faith is required, and the universe will begin to rearrange itself to make it happen. The how question must be abandoned. It doesn't matter what happens, how it happens, or when. The bottom line is that it will happen. The final step is to accept. One should start to feel great about it. You should feel the way you would feel when it arrives and embody those emotions. Feeling good and happy throughout this process is critical because you're putting yourself in the frequency of what you want. And it's a wrap. What are your thoughts on the matter? Are you ready to give manifestation a try? Please share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it if you want to see more excellent videos. You can also watch this video right here on the screen. Goodbye until next time.